Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video, and in today's video I want to talk to you a little bit about the different cameras and types of cameras which I've had over the years, and hopefully find out what type of cameras you use and what you use them for. I'm not endorsing any of the cameras which I mention in this video, and this video is not sponsored. I don't know about you, but over the years I have accumulated a number of different types of cameras. When I first got into photography, I learnt my trade on a couple of second-hand Nikon single lens reflex consumer film cameras. Then, as digital photography began to enter the scene, I bought myself the Sony Mavic CD4, which was a 4 megapixel camera that recorded the data captured onto a writable mini CD and had a 3x zoom lens which went from f2 to f2.5 and was branded Carl Zeiss. And I must say that the camera did produce some surprisingly good photos. After that, I moved on to Nikon or Nikon DSLR cameras like the D70, the D200 and the D600, which used compact flash memory cards, and in the D600 SD memory cards. Then I took a bit of a break from photography, and when I got my mojo back, I bought myself a Panasonic Lumix S5 mirrorless full-frame camera. Since then, I've picked up another copy of the Panasonic Lumix S5 because I really do love the features which that camera offers. And between then and now, I've also purchased a couple of Sony APS-C mirrorless cameras. First, I bought the Sony ZV-E10, which I was pretty happy with, but I had a few problems with it. And on returning it, I came across a second-hand, mint condition Sony A5100, which, even though it's a 10-year-old camera, takes great photos and pretty decent video, albeit at full HD 1080p. And I find it to be an extremely useful camera for traveling and also for street photography. To wrap up my camera journey until this moment, I also have a DJI Osmo Action 3 and a couple of DJI Osmo Action 4s, which I use for my behind-the-scenes videos and POV point of view videos. In fact, I'm recording this video right now on one of my Osmo Action 4s. So as you can see, over the years, I've had a number of different brands which used different recording media and which also had a different system. And I've used them for numerous types of photography, including press photography and studio photography, as well as for different video projects and my YouTube videos. However, over the last 15 years or so, I have also had one type of camera which has been my go-to camera for daily photos and videos, and that has been the camera which is incorporated into my mobile phone. Over the last 15 years, the technology has got better and better, and the image quality has also got better and better in phone cameras. The other day, as I couldn't go out and take photos due to my ongoing injury, I decided to look at the number of photos which I downloaded to my laptop from my mirrorless cameras over the last 12 months, compared to the number of photos which I'd taken on my camera phone, which at this moment is the Google Pixel 8. And believe me, I was pretty surprised. I had taken more than 7 times as many photos on my Google Pixel 8 than I had on my mirrorless cameras in the last 12 months. This made me realize how important my phone's camera is to me. And that made me ask myself the question, why did I take so many more photos on my phone's camera than I did on my mirrorless cameras? And of course, the answer was very simple. I use my phone's camera more often because it's always with me, and because it's so quick and simple to use, at the same time as offering me the possibility to directly share my photos with others using different apps which are installed on my mobile phone. And also because the quality of the photos and videos which my phone's camera produces is more than enough for what I need them for. It also made me think, what type of cameras do you guys use the most? Because there are so many different options of camera types out there which you could be using to capture your images on. So over the next few weeks, I'm going to be creating a series of community posts on my YouTube channel, in which I will include a few questions asking you what type of cameras you use and what you use them for, so that I can create content relative to the image capturing tools which you use and what you use them for. These community posts will appear in the community tab of my YouTube channel and may also appear in your YouTube feed if you are subscribed to my channel. Remember that subscribing to a YouTube channel is completely free for you and can be considered like a thank you to the creator for the time, effort, and possibly money which they've dedicated to creating their videos. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel, as well as to receive my community posts. And if you liked this video, please click on the like button and share it on your favorite app with any friends or family that you think may find it interesting. Please do drop a line in the comment section down below and tell me the type of camera that you use mostly and what you use it for. Whether it's an old film camera, a single lens reflex, a DSLR, a mirrorless camera, or any other type of camera. I would love to know, and I always answer your comments. You'll find affiliate links to the gear used and mentioned in this video in the description section down below. If you decide to purchase something through one of my affiliate links, thank you. The price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.